I recently purged some tools and changed colors on my miter saw. The DeWalt has been a good tool, and the hydraulic stand makes it easy for putting it away when I'm done. The problem I have with it is that the saw did not have a light line, which is common with some of the saws with this price point. I'm not sure what DeWalt was thinking by not putting it on. Some upgrade forums reported that some are not compatible with the light kit, so you might want to see if you have the LED bezel cap and make sure that your handle is compatible. I did some investigation and found a way of upgrading my saw with the light kit. I looked around, but Tools seemed to have the best price. They have everything you can think of as far as tools and variety and upgrades. I provided a link to their website and the kit if you have this saw. The kit came pretty quickly, and it included the LED assembly, the harness, a switch, and the complete handle bezel. Basically everything you need to get started. You will need the following hex wrenches: a T20, T25, and a T30. Start by removing the existing bezel shell with a T25 where the LED assembly is installed. Next, remove the wire channel bezel using a T20. Install the LED assembly. Line the wire in the groove and reinstall the wire channel bezel, making sure that the wires are all the way out at the end. Next, remove the handle using a T30, keeping the screw in the bezel. Remove the 9 screws from the handle bezel. Truth be told, I was able to use a T25 on all of these screws. Some tutorials say it's a combination of a T20 and T25. Once the handle bezel is removed, feed the LED assembly wire from the base of the wire channel bezel and tuck it under the existing wires towards the switch location. Next, remove the black locking screw from the trigger switch. Remove the top black grounding screw from the trigger switch. Feed the black wire of the harness through the post and tighten the grounding screw. Reinsert the black locking screw to secure it in place. Next, separate the 2 white wires and insert the piggyback on your wire harness. Connect the other white wire to the harness connector as well. Take the black Molex connector and connect it to the switch. Lastly, connect the white and black Molex connector from the harness, making sure all the wires are flush with the handle bezel. Take your new top bezel that came with your kit and fit it around the switch assembly. Replace all handle bezel screws. And lastly, the handle with the T30, and you're done. As you can see, the light line is razor sharp and it's very visible. I'm loving this new upgrade. No more second guessing, and I have very accurate cuts. Doing this to your DeWalt saw will add great value and turn a $400 saw into a $600 saw. As you can see, before and after, the saw looks better and the cut line is greatly appreciated. Upgrading this DeWalt is the best thing I've done to it. The workflow is faster and the cuts are more accurate. Go ahead and check out Tool's website. They have a variety of tools and upgrades for them. And as far as I've seen, they have the best prices out there. I called their customer service, extremely top-notch, very friendly people. Email responses were quick. I highly recommend them. Stay tuned because I have a lot more videos coming down the pipe. And thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day.